So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Zoho Survey on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website that will arrive. Log into your account right here. Then select this profile icon. Now select Access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, you guys will need to go with this settings icon. Now select this Zoho option right here. Now after scrolling down a little bit, you guys can see this Zoho section around here, and now select its setup now button. Now go with this green button called Get Started Now. Now you just need to give a name to your portal of Zoho Survey. You can give any name. I'll go with this one. And after that, you have to choose the departments of Zoho Survey. So you can choose all departments or you can choose my department. I'll go with this one. And after that, click on this next button. Now select this settings also, and after choosing all of these settings and filling up all of these details, you just need to select done button. Now guys, you have successfully created your Zoho Survey on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to set up your Zoho Survey on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.